through the cracks along the floor, cursing indentations of the basement corridors. I believe in sleeping off the weight of the world, but you only come around to step on me anyhow, crushing my escape. I never really leave you anyways, but I'm never at the right place. My time at concentrate.